Most Americans think all credit cards are basically the same: swipe, pay, repeat. They assume rewards, cashback, or low interest are just marketing gimmicks that don't really matter. But the truth is far more surprising. Some credit cards can save you hundreds, even thousands, each year if used strategically, while others quietly drain your wallet despite flashy promises. Which ones are worth your attention? And which ones are secretly costing you more than you realize? The answer may shock you. Welcome to Meta Economy Lab, where you can learn and understand more about the economy and related topics, so you can subscribe to the channel for continuous learning. The story of modern credit cards begins decades ago, when banks first realized they could turn lending into both a convenience and a profit machine. In the 1950s, the first plastic cards emerged, promising freedom and status. Yet behind the slick design, banks were experimenting with interest rates, fees, and customer behavior to maximize long-term revenue. By the 1970s, credit cards became mainstream. Americans embraced them for convenience, unaware that minimum payments and compounding interest could trap them in debt. Banks had discovered a simple truth: most people pay just enough to appear responsible, while the interest quietly piles up. The 1980s and 1990s brought a surge of competition. Banks began offering rewards, points, and cashback. The public saw these as gifts, bonuses for loyalty. Few realized they were carefully engineered to encourage spending and maintain high balances. Every purchase, whether big or small, became a source of profit for institutions. Today, in 2025, the landscape has grown even more sophisticated. Credit cards are no longer just financial tools. They are strategic instruments designed to extract value while offering consumers tempting perks. But not all cards are created equal, and knowing which ones deliver real benefits is crucial. The first card on our list is a classic, a card that combines a 0% introductory APR with generous cashback on everyday purchases. For someone who manages to pay off balances on time, this card can save hundreds each year on interest alone. The hidden benefit is that it provides a financial cushion during emergencies, allowing flexibility without falling into debt. Next, consider a rewards card specifically geared toward groceries and essential spending. Many people overlook how much they spend on food, but a card offering 5% cashback at supermarkets can quickly offset annual costs. Over a year, the savings can rival a small bonus or tax refund. This is the card that quietly works in the background, delivering real value without flashy promotions. Travel enthusiasts have another contender, a card offering points for airline tickets, hotel stays, and even gas. While most think travel rewards are only for the wealthy, savvy users can leverage sign-up bonuses and strategic redemptions to enjoy significant perks. In some cases, a single vacation could be nearly free if planned carefully, making this card a hidden goldmine. The fourth card is a business-focused card for freelancers, side hustlers, or entrepreneurs. This card rewards business expenses, from software subscriptions to office supplies, turning routine spending into meaningful returns. Small business owners who track expenses can maximize deductions while benefiting from cashback, points, and sometimes lower APRs tailored for commercial use. Finally, the ultimate winner, a hybrid card that balances low interest, versatile rewards, and premium perks. This card is designed for people who want both flexibility and long-term value. Unlike others that focus solely on one category, it spreads benefits across dining, travel, essentials, and even online shopping. The hidden twist is that it encourages disciplined spending, making it a tool for financial empowerment rather than just consumption. Understanding these cards requires context. Banks are not merely offering choice, they are shaping behavior. Each card is carefully structured to encourage frequent use, maintain balances, and extract maximum profit. When you recognize these patterns, you can choose cards that actually serve you instead of the bank. Historically, the credit card market has been during economic booms, banks push rewards aggressively to drive spending. During downturns, interest rates rise, fees increase, and the same rewards that seemed attractive now have hidden costs. Timing and strategy matter as much as the card itself. Surprisingly, many Americans still ignore key factors when selecting cards. People chase flashy advertisements or large bonuses without considering APR, annual fees, or category restrictions. The result is wasted rewards, unexpected fees, and missed opportunities to save hundreds annually. Take the example of Mark, a 28-year-old engineer from Texas. He signed up for a high-reward travel card, but didn't track spending categories. 18 months' annual fees and unused rewards left him with a net loss. Contrast this with Sarah, a teacher in Ohio who carefully matched her grocery card to her monthly budget. She saved over $400 in a single year without changing her spending habits. Hidden strategies can make a dramatic difference. Some cards offer rotating categories with high cashback, but consumers need to activate these each quarter. Others provide bonus points for bill payments or subscriptions. Few people take advantage, leaving value on the table. Awareness transforms everyday spending into tangible financial gain. Another subtle factor is credit utilization. Using the right card can improve your credit score if managed properly. High balances relative to your credit limit can hurt scores, while strategic use of multiple cards can boost creditworthiness. This has ripple effects on loan rates, mortgage eligibility, and even insurance premiums. Many overlook sign-up bonuses. These are often substantial, sometimes worth hundreds in cash or points. Timing applications and aligning with large purchases can turn a simple card into a financial tool that delivers instant value. The key is planning, not impulsive sign-ups. Security and protection features are also critical. The best cards provide extended warranties, fraud protection, and dispute resolution support. While these may seem minor, they can prevent significant losses from defective products or unauthorized charges, adding real value beyond rewards. Annual fees can seem daunting, but in many cases, the benefits outweigh costs if used strategically. Higher cards often include perks like airport lounge access, travel insurance, and concierge services. The lesson is simple: evaluate total value rather than just the upfront cost. Interest rates remain a hidden trap. Even the most rewarding card can become a liability if balances are carried month to month. Cards with lower APRs or 0% introductory periods allow flexibility without high interest penalties, saving hundreds compared to high-rate alternatives. In 2025, technology enhances opportunities. Apps track rewards, notify users of category changes, and even suggest optimal redemption strategies. A card that seemed average in 2015 can now be leveraged for maximum gain with minimal effort. Digital tools are leveling the playing field for informed consumers. Geographic differences also matter. Some cards offer higher rewards in urban centers or at national chains. Regional card offers can provide localized value, rewarding users where they spend the most. Over time, these small optimizations add up to meaningful savings. Even lifestyle choices influence the best card. Families, solo travelers, gig workers, and remote professionals each have unique spending patterns. The ideal card aligns with real-world habits rather than theoretical averages, turning everyday transactions into opportunities for savings. Many people underestimate the cumulative effect of rewards. $10 a week may seem minor, but over 52 weeks, that's $520 enough to cover utilities, groceries, or even a weekend getaway. Strategic card use transforms ordinary spending into extraordinary returns. Understanding fine print is essential. Restrictions on redemption, point expiration, and limited categories can erode perceived value. Savvy consumers who read terms and track usage often outperform those who chase headlines. Knowledge converts potential into profit. Hidden fees, like foreign transaction charges, cash advance fees, or late payment penalties, can erode benefits. The best cards minimize these risks, allowing users to retain maximum value while staying protected from hidden costs. Consumer behavior plays a role. People who consolidate spending on a single card, pay in full monthly, and activate all bonus categories consistently outperform casual users. Discipline amplifies rewards and reduces exposure to interest. The broader economic context matters. Inflation, interest rate shifts, and bank policies influence card value. A card that is perfect today may underperform tomorrow if macroeconomic conditions change. Awareness and flexibility are key. Looking ahead, the future of credit cards is tied to technology, personalization, and intelligent reward structures. Cards that adapt to user habits provide predictive benefits, and optimize value will dominate. Consumers who stay in form will capture the maximum advantage. In conclusion, the top 5 cards offer a combination of strategic rewards, low fees, and intelligent design. Matching a card to lifestyle, spending habits, and financial discipline transforms ordinary plastic into a powerful financial tool. The ultimate winner, ISNT, the one with the flashiest advertisement tit, as the one that aligns perfectly with your life. Remember these 3 lessons. Research before signing up, match cards to spending habits, and leverage technology to track and maximize rewards. Strategic awareness, discipline, and planning turn credit cards from mere spending tools into powerful instruments for financial gain. If you found this analysis insightful, make sure to like this video, share your experiences in the comments, and subscribe to Meta Economy Lab for more in-depth investigations into the economy, money strategies, and financial awareness. Meta Economy Lab gives you new perspective to see and understand more about the economy and related topics, so you can subscribe to the channel for continuous learning.